Hello, my name is Megan Truick. I'm the lead estate planning attorney here with the law office of Bryan Fagan, and you are in the right place today. Today I want to focus on guardianships. Specifically, why should you create a guardianship for your minor child? Well, if you're creating a guardianship, it's never really because anything great happens. However, this is life. We have to face it. This is what we all have to deal with. However, in order to set up a successful guardianship for your child, these are the things you should think about. Are you doing it for probate-related reasons? Are you doing it for a personal injury-related reason? If you're doing it for a probate-related reason, then somebody in that child's life passed away, and some asset is coming to the child. And therefore, when you're setting up the guardianship, you have to think about what's in the best interest of your child. What are the requirements that you should make sure that the guardianship has? Should you put in educational requirements? Should you put in age restrictions? And most importantly, who should be the trustee for that guardianship? Who should be that guardian over your minor child? For many of us, we may be thinking, of course me. Why would anybody else be the guardian of my child's estate? Or why should anyone else be the guardian of my child's person? That's their body. Who decides where the child lives, where the child goes to school? So let's jump back. Why should you set up this guardianship? If your child is inheriting any kind of money through a probate proceeding, maybe they're inheriting money from grandma, maybe they're inheriting money because a parent passed away, the court will usually require that a guardianship of the estate be established. And therefore, within the guardianship of the estate, the court is saying, okay, this person will be responsible for accounting to the court every year to tell the court how that child's asset was used, where the money went. And then that person may need to be bonded. That's getting insurance to make sure that they manage that child's assets for that child's best interest. Another way that the guardianship of the persons of that minor child's estate may come up is because there is a personal injury. You may be saying, okay, what does a personal injury have to do with a guardianship? Well, I can tell you that's how it comes up most of the time. The child is in an accident, maybe in a car with an adult, the child gets injured, and then as part of the settlement for any injury related to that accident, that child is getting a settlement. The parent can't hold that money. Parents have a responsibility to take care of the child. The child's asset, in the court's view, should not be used for that, and so guardianship has to be set up. Failing that, the court will force you to pay those proceeds into the court's registry, where that child will get to that money when that child is 18. I don't know many of you who know a responsible 18-year-old that can hold thousands and invest it properly, and therefore guardianship is the best way to take care of your child, because who will love them like you do? Thank you. My name is Megan Truick with the law office of Bryan Fagan. Just go ahead and watch the next video. Thank you. Hi, so you are enjoying the Bryan Fagan Family Law YouTube channel. Well, you are in luck. We have now launched a brand new YouTube channel that is totally dedicated to estate planning, probate, and guardianship. If you want to hear more and if you want to see more videos, click on the link in the description below and come on over to enjoy total estate planning, probate, and guardianship content. Thank you.